Okay, goodness, I don't know where to start. My fourth grade teacher at Oakhurst Elementary, Miss Moore, called me an artist, and I have been an artist ever since. When I was a senior, the student council had a contest for an official school seal at Little Rock Central, and we did not have one at that time. So I sketched out several designs, decided on something, and got my entry turned in just in the nick of time, and mine won. And to my surprise, when they revealed the annual that year, the pics, it was on the cover. This is the annual that I was talking about, cover up at 68. They still use it today. So every time I see it in print, I just think, oh my goodness, I designed that and it was a long time ago. I was an art teacher in K-12, so most of my years have been spent in middle school, but I've done either end, elementary through high school. I designed the Arkansas egg for the Egg Council one year and got to meet Mrs. Bush. I see art in everything, every subject matter, and I tried when I was teaching to show that to my students, that when they look through their history books, they're going to see art history. When they, look through their literature books, they're going to have references to art, and you need to know science, because if you're going to paint a tree, you need to know what kind of tree you're painting.
Do you like teaching, or do you like doing your own artwork?
Well, I probably am a teacher because I could never decide what my favorite thing to do was. So when you teach, you get to do everything. Hopefully my students that became artists would hear my voice saying, turn your mistakes into masterpieces, instead of wadding that paper up and throwing it away, or casting that canvas aside. I always tell them they learn more from struggling through a mistake and correcting it than they did from starting over.